Lit Walls is a new app on the Play Store, but that doesn't make it look less professional. The user interface design is modern. It is easy to navigate through the different tabs on the top, like the trending tab, new, popular and categories. The image quality is the highest and you can save these photographs on your smartphone or set them as home screen or lock screen wallpaper through the app. The wallpapers are crisp and look dope. You will find thousands of high quality wallpapers in this app, so just try it and you will love it. Apps Free provides paid Android applications for free for a limited time. Basically what it does is it collects information from the Play Store, like which apps are on sale, and makes a list for you to get the application on time for free. It not only saves a lot of time, but also it is safe because these applications are not cracked versions. Apps Free is perfectly safe to use and you must use it. Chroma Keyboard is much fancier one compared to the Swift key that you recently saw. There are various themes and skins that you can apply on this keyboard. My favorite one is RGB keyboard. This skin is free to use and in my opinion it looks best. If RGB keyboard is not your cup of tea or coffee in that sense, then you can set these color palettes or skins on the keyboard for free. Chroma Keyboard also supports multiple languages, so anyone can use it. UX LED icon pack has minimal stroked icons with dark neon colors. The icons are just in one word beautiful. What I'm really happy about is that most of the app icons are hand designed. I have always been a fan of dark yet colorful icon packs that are small in size. This icon pack is very special and I'm so excited to show this to you guys. Definitely use the Nova launcher to customize the UX LED icon pack and just look at it, isn't it amazing? Now moving on to the widgets. Duck UI for KWGT is the finest widget pack that I have ever seen. The Duck UI has uniquely designed clock and date widgets that you can add on your home screen absolutely for free. You will also find more than 20 widgets that you can customize with the KWGT Pro key. The widget pack is free to use and apply on your home screen. Just look at it. With the wallpaper from Dark Pics, UX LED icons and the Duck UI, this setup is gorgeous and stunning. What do you think? Definitely let me know in the comment box below. If you enjoyed watching this video, then smash the like button and also subscribe to brosmart for more awesome videos just like this. That would be a massive help and I really appreciate each and every comment and like. Thank you so much for watching. This is brosmart and I will see you guys in my next video.